Let's have a little look at the tone menu, because we've got some nice tone features in the DEUS II. Here's a nice little target, and it's locking on at 67 on the target ID. And this would be a good opportunity to demonstrate a couple of audio modes just quickly. We're in the PWM mode at the moment, which is your standard DEUS mode, but we've also got an option called the square mode, and I'll just swap between the two and let you have a listen. So that's PWM, options, audio, square. Can you hear the difference? That sounds a little bit more fluty, doesn't it? Back to PWM, square. Now there's another added little feature to this DEUS II which I really like, and it's the pitch mode. Let me go into pitch mode and demonstrate it. So we go into menu, discrimination, tones, switch to pitch mode, have a listen. Absolutely, it's the conventional DEUS I pitch mode, but what if we add square on top of it? So let's go on to the square mode by going options, audio, square. Here we go, have a listen to this now. It changes the dynamics of the pitch mode, doesn't it? And don't forget, you've got a graphic equalizer within this menu, so you can make further changes to suit your preferences. The DEUS II has got a new feature called the ground stabilizer, and that's linked into the ground balance circuit, and that's adjustable from 1 to 3, but we'll be talking about that in a later video. Salt sensitivity. When in beach mode, you can adjust how sensitive your machine is to the salt reaction. A higher salt sensitivity will make the machine more reactive to the fine gold and the small change, but it may be a little unstable in certain conditions. Pairing. Now this is a brand new feature with the DEUS II. If you wanted to pair a new search call, you simply put it on charge, turn the DEUS II on, it sees the coil and pairs automatically. Of course you can pair it manually if you so wish. For underwater use, we still need to use the antenna, but the DEUS II has got a brand new system which clips the antenna onto the top of the controller. We will be covering all these features in detail in future videos. Accessories. Well, the XP DEUS II is an ongoing project, and we're hoping to have some new accessories in the early part of 2022, but the accessories available at the moment are 2 coils, the 9-inch coil, 22 centimeters, the 28 centimeter coil, the 11-inch, and some headphones. Now the headphones in the DEUS II range consist of the BH01 headphones, which are the bone conductive headphones for deep diving. You can also use them inland, you know, and the WS6 headphones, which have a full menu in them and a nice easy to read screen. So let's have a little talk about the slave and master setup with the DEUS II headphones. There's different ways to configure the DEUS II. We call them the master and slave configuration. For example, what I'm using here is the RC as the master and the WS6 as the slave. But you can change this around a bit. You can use the WS6 as the master and the WSA2 or your wired headphones as the slave. So it's entirely up to you how you want to use this DEUS II, with the controller, without the controller. The WS6 has a nice module that sits on top of the stem, so you can clearly read the target ID and make menu adjustments. While we're talking about headphones, the DEUS II's got an amazing feature. When you turn the machine on, the headphones automatically turn on. When you turn the machine off, the headphones turn off. Genius. Well, that's it guys. I hope that's given you a very small snapshot into the XP DEUS II. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be doing some menu rundowns and some demonstrations. So don't forget to subscribe to the XP YouTube channel and sign up for that newsletter. But until then, happy hunting and we'll see you soon.